Kukunin daw ho ng Office of the Ombudsman bilang state witness si dating Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bunuan. Yan ay doon sa mga kasong nabunyag dahil yan sa flood control scandal. May update po dyan si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Balak ngayon kuhain ng Office of the Ombudsman si former Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bunuan bilang state witness para sa mga kasong may kinalaman sa anomalya ng flood control projects. Ayon mismo kay Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla, hihilingin nila sa Korte ng Sandigan Bayan na ma-discharge o matanggal bilang akusado ang dating kalihim sa mga kasong kinakarap nito. Mayroon na anya silang nilagdaang kasunduan patungkol sa kooperasyon mangyayari sa pagitan ng Tanod Bayan at ni former Public Works Secretary Manuel Bunuan.
At tapos ano pala, we already have a signed agreement for the cooperation of former Secretary Manuel Bunuan to be a state witness, to be a cooperating witness. We will discharge him we will ask the court to discharge him as a respondent so he can testify for us as a state witness.
Dagdag pa ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla, naghain na rin daw sila ng motion to discharge sa korte upang maging testigo para sa panig ng prosekusyon. Naniniwala kasi ang Ombudsman na mga nalalaman umano ng dating kalihim ay maaaring magamit nila sa mga kaso. Git niya, mahalaga ang kalaman nito bilang dating kalihim ng kaguran at pati testimonya ay importante para mapatunayan raw ang mga kasong ihahain ng Tanod Bayan.
Yes, pero meron na kaming standing agreement. We filed already a motion to discharge him as an accused so that he can be a witness for the prosecution. The knowledge that he has about the whole institution is something very important to us to be able to prove many cases. There are other people who will be, we will be benefiting from his testimony with regards to so many of the cases that we are filing.
Habang dahil sa may mga karamdaman umano ang dating kalihim, ayon kay Ombudsman Remulla, kanila rin itong isinasaalang-alang. Kung kaya't sa lalong madaling panahon ay hilingan niya na makuha na nila ang dating kalihim bilang state witness at tuluyan ng magamit kanyang mga testimonya.
Well, of course. His health is of concern to us, and we want to be able to perpetuate his testimony as soon as possible. Kaya nga, it's important to us that he be discharged already so that he can be our witness. Ano to kasi nga, the tactic here and what we're trying to do here is to finish the cases as early as possible. Kasi yung naging dating lumang tugtugin ng inordinate delay of justice, hindi ho mangyayari dito. Sa atin dito, we do the case build-up so we can present the cases immediately. Wala hong mahabang kaso-kaso rito. Basta andyan na yung ebidensya, ilalatag namin yan pag handa na kami. At malamang, hindi namin ipa-file ang kaso pag hindi kami handa.
Sa kasalukuyan, naharap ang dating kalihim sa kasong plunder aabot sa halagang higit 500 milyong piso kasama si Senador Jinggoy Estrada at iba pang mga kapwa akusado. Para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.